This is Confessions of a Refashionista.
Hey, today we are going to rewind to 2013 and revisit 3 of my fave upcycled necklace tutorials that I still have, and they're still going strong and fabulous. Also, I'm going to show you how to create some fantastic scrap-busted bracelets, rings, and earrings. And if you love my videos, go ahead and subscribe. Hit those little like buttons. Without further ado, though, let's get a-making. For this lickety split accessory, you'll need a bit of pretty lace or embroidery, a thrifted necklace, or simply use one you have on hand, a pair of pliers, and a couple of extra jump rings. So your first step is to separate your necklace, either in the middle or asymmetrically, as I've done. It all depends on the shape of your lace. Then position your lace, grab your jump rings, pop them through the ends of that lace, attach them to the open ends of the necklace, and you're done. For this cute and curly project, you'll need a curly telephone cord, scissors, pliers, a scrap of fabric, and needle and thread. Using my pliers, I chopped off the phone cord plug and stripped the rubber off of the wires from each of the straight ends of the cord. Wrap the wires over and around themselves and simply secure the ends with a couple of garbage bag twist ties. All that's left to do now is wrap and stitch that scrap of fabric over the exposed wires, and your necklace will be complete. For this super sweet scrap busting project, you'll need 3 long-ish pieces of scrap fabric, a safety pin, scissors, and either a needle and thread or your sewing machine. So the first thing you want to do is cut a 3 to 5 centimeter wide strip off of each of your 3 pieces of fabric. Simply chop here and tear. Once you have all of your strips, simply lay one on top of the other and pin the ends together with that safety pin. Now all you have to do is pin the safety pin to something that isn't going to move, a cushion, your sofa, a chair, even your pant leg, and braid those 3 strips of fabric all the way to the ends. The longer your fabric is, the longer your finished necklace or bracelet will be. Once all of your fabric strips are braided together, simply pin those ends together and either hand stitch them or head over to your machine and machine stitch the ends together. Create a glammed up version by using silk or satin scraps and adding a cute little rosette to the side. Create a ring by using teeny tiny scraps that you have left over, measured around your finger, stitch the ends together, and you're done. Or even easier, simply twist a little tiny scrap up, hand stitch it together, and add an earring hook to create a cute little set. So as you saw there, upcycling accessories is crazy easy, crazy free, and fantastic quality because you made them yourself and they last forever and ever and ever. And it all makes fantastic last-minute DIY gifts as well. So yeah, raid your stash, raid your jewelry box, and get making. And then head on over to Confessions of a Refashionista at awesomesaucehattery.com and see my over 1,200 tutorials and tips and upcycling everything over there. And be sure to subscribe to me everywhere, Refashionista Sherry, Confessions of a Refashionista, and share your fave tutorials with your online circles. And let's get everyone upcycling, shopping pre-loved, and living a much more sustainable, eco-friendly lifestyle. And until next time, I'll catch ya on the zigzag.